Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com New York Forex trading session. I am going to present my Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market, and I also teach trading with Elliot Wave online course. I also teach different forex day trading strategies, and they are also available online. So if you are interested to learn how to make money in forex trading, check out my website. There are different ways to contact me. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, let us take a look at some of the trades. Okay, right now the US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair, this trade is working fine. Let me write it down, my sell entry over here. So this is my sell entry at 1.3843. Okay, let me adjust the font size. So here's my sell entry at 1.3843, and right up there, this is my stop loss. Stop loss at 1.3925. And is the take profit level. So the take profit level is down over here. Take profit at 1.3742. So this is the take profit level inside US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. Next, I've also taken a trade inside GBPUSD currency pair. So if I show you the 1 hour time frame over here, so here's my buy entry right over here. Buy at 1.3580. This is my buy entry in GBPUSD currency pair, and stop loss is a bit down over here. So stop loss at 1.3523. And I'm expecting the pound dollar currency pair to rise up over here. At the right hand side bottom corner, you can see my P&L, the profit or loss over here. So I'm currently holding a buy trade inside GBPUSD currency pair, and I'm also holding a sell trade inside US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. So these are the two trades which I'm currently holding at this point in time. Let me adjust the clock indicator. No, not the clock. Go to the make display. So these are the two trades I'm currently holding. One in Canadian dollar, USDCAD, and second one is in GBPUSD currency pair. Now let me go to the trading terminal. So regarding the euro dollar currency bullish, let me first check out what's going on with the radar screen indicator. So go over to the radar screen. Okay. The euro dollar currency pair, the preferred trading strategy or the preferred trading method is a sideways. Same goes with the GBPUSD, same goes with NZDUSD, AUDUSD, and USDCAD currency pair. USDJPY and GBPJPY along with GBP, NZD, WTI, and spot gold, those are suggesting those pairs or trading instruments are suggesting to use trend following trading strategies. Next, let me check out some other stuff over here. So go over to the okay, this is the aberration. It seems to me USDCAD is showing some nice aberration over here. So we'll see how it goes. USDCAD is actually falling down. Let me go over to the reversal scanner. Okay, US dollar, Swiss franc is going down and euro dollar is going up. USDCAD actually dropped quite a bit, so price action might not reach my take profit level over here. Okay, so I might look for an early exit, who knows. This is about 70 pips drop over here so far inside US dollar CAD currency pair, so nice profit over here. EURUSD is also going down, and we might get a bottom in EURUSD currency pair. Okay, let me go back to the live stream. So euro dollar currency pair, the way I see the trend is bullish, and I expect more upside in euro dollar currency pair. Next one is the 4-hour. Market just keep trying to push higher, and there's no breakdown over here, so obviously no sell trade. I would prefer to look for a buy trade instead of a sell trade inside euro dollar currency pair. Next one is the US dollar index. The DX is falling down, and it's most likely going to breaks below 97.13 level over here. Next one is the GBPUSD currency pair. The pound dollar trend is bullish, and I'm also holding a buy trade in GBPUSD currency pair. Okay, let me show you that. Go over to the chart over here. So GBPUSD, here it is. We got a nice bullish breakout over here, and now market is trying to up over here in GBPUSD currency pair. This is about 24 pips, 23 pips, 24 pips profit so far in pound dollar currency pair. Okay, so we will see how the market is going to react. Okay, next one is the AUDUSD. Aussie dollar is going up and it looks bullish, and the way I see market is going to rise up even further over here. It's an uptrend going on. Next one is the NZDUSD currency pair. The way I see market is probably going to rise up more over here, especially if we get a bullish breakout above 0.5995 level over here. Okay. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc looks bearish. The price action is probably going to resume the downtrend over here. Okay. So a good idea is to look for potential sell trade setups. Use your own day trading strategies. Okay. And it's a good idea to go with the flow of the market. Okay. Okay, let me write it down something over here. So regarding the US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair, market is falling down, and is probably going to drop a little bit more over here. There is one possible scenario which suggests that USDCAD is going to rise up from current levels, so I will see if it's going to show us a bounce back up over here or not. But both of these trades are currently in profit. The USDCAD trade is in profit, and the pound dollar trade is also showing profit overall. Okay, let's go back to the price chart. So USDCAD is falling down, and this means spot gold is going to rise up, and here we go. Market is going up inside XAUUSD pair. The trend looks bullish, and I expect more upside in spot gold. Next one is the XAGUSD pair, which is going to rise up as well. So spot silver, it's an uptrend going on in XAGUSD pair. Next one is the US dollar versus CAD. USD CAD is falling down. Now if we do get a breakdown in price action below 1.3724 level, then obviously it's going to drop more. Otherwise this thing could bounce back up as well. That is the reason why I told you that I'm holding a sell trade inside US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair right over here, and this market could bounce back up as well, because if you check out the left hand side over here, this is where we got this long spike over here. Okay, so some sort of buying pressure would reappear at or around the same level. Okay, so USDCAD, use your own day trading strategies to look for potential sell trade setup. If you do not have a day trading strategy, check out my website and learn it. Next one is the USD Yen currency pair. USDJPY is just moving inside a trading range over here, and it's a sideways market. This is the daily chart of US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. So waiting for a breakout. Next one is the GBPJPY, which is most likely going up. So here we go. GBPJPY. Now we got a bullish breakout after waiting for many days. Okay, now we finally got a bullish breakout. Now this whole thing, my idea over here is to wait for a false breakout, a head fake pattern, and once the pound yen is going to starts the decline, that would be a good idea. That would be the good time to look for potential sell trips. Okay, so this is what I've discussed. Here's the support level now. Let me move this one over here. So at the left hand side we got this ABC decline, and now the trend is up over here inside GBPJPY currency pair. So here we have the support over here. As long as price action is staying above 197.83 level, it's an uptrend. Once market is going to break below this level, then I would prefer to look for potential sell trade setups. Next one is the euro versus Japanese yen currency pair. Uptrend going on, and the way I see market is going to rise up even further. Next one is the Swiss franc JPY. We got a false breakout over here, but that I think it's going to short-live. Market is again trying to rise back up over here. So it's a good idea to wait for the price action to break below the support level. So this is what I'm looking. If price action is not going to break below 183.90 level, it is still an uptrend. Okay. Next, let us take a look at AUDJPY currency pair. So AUDJPY, it's an uptrend, and I expect more upside. So that is the reason why the AUDUSD is also moving up. Next one is the Euro AUD. Euro versus Australian dollar currency pair. We need few more bearish candlesticks close over here before I consider looking for potential sell patterns. Yeah. Okay, next one is the WTI crude oil. Crude oil is most likely going to print a bottom. This is what I've already mentioned few days ago. Next one is the AUD versus New Zealand dollar. I expect more upside in AUD NZD currency pair. Then wait for once we get a new push in price action, a new high, then expect a false breakout and then a top and a drop. Next one is the EURUSD. EURUSD, I'm waiting for the market to print a top here. So far market just keep going up over here. So here's the support level right over here at 1.6013. If we do get a breakdown in price action, then fine, otherwise wait outside. So the EURUSD is trying to drop, and the USDCAD is also going down over here. So the Canadian dollar is becoming strong overall. Okay. Next one is the Euro GBP currency pair. Euro GBP, this is the sell trade plan over here. I'm still waiting for the market to break below this bullish trend line over here. Okay, next one is the GBPCAD. Okay, GBPCAD daily time frame. We got a nice bullish rally over here. Market is trying to find some resistance up over here. I would prefer to wait for a bullish breakout first. Then I might consider for potential sell trade setups. Okay, so a good idea is to use a 4-hour time frame. Okay, let me zoom in a little. And once price action is going to breaks below the support level right over here at 1.8725, then use your own day trading strategies to look for potential sell trade setups inside GBP versus Canadian dollar currency pair. If you do not know how to trade it, check out my website and learn day trading strategies. I also teach different online day trading strategies. So let's go back to the USDCAD. So this is the USDCAD currency pair. The sell trade is currently working so far, and market is trying to drop over here, which looks good. And the second one is the buy trade in GBPUSD currency pair. So it's about 1,335 US dollar profit at the right hand side bottom corner. This is what you can see. Let me move this up a little bit so you could easily see it. So I am in profit in both trades. So that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and I will try to do the next session tomorrow around the New York market session. Okay, so